Okay, this video is going to be about the Tchibo coffee machine review. So basically this Tchibo has been around since I believe 1949, 1950s. It's actually more popular than Starbucks currently. They have a couple thousand stores across Europe. And I got to tell you, this coffee brand is a lot better than Starbucks in my opinion. So they recently, Tchibo came out with this, I guess it's a semi-automatic espresso machine. So there's no pods. It just makes coffee there's a grinder in here. You can see that, that's where the coffee goes in. There's a water tank in the back. Just fill that. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna turn it on, make some coffee and show you. The only bad thing is it's kind of loud. It's a little bit of a loud machine, but it's a very slim design. And fill it up with water. Make sure you have this, when you first get this machine, to have this on the turned all the way to the minus, so you get the best aroma for your coffee. And you can always dial that back, but I believe that's the factory setting. So I'm gonna make a regular cup of coffee here. This is the black light. Let's see what kind of crema we get. I believe this is kind of like an Americano. And the unique thing here with this machine, this one actually has a milk frother. I don't believe the US version has the milk frother if you're looking for a heated way to froth up the milk. But here's kind of what it looks like. There's the crema. If you like black coffee, let me tell you, this is the best tasting coffee that I've had. So this is, you can see that crema there. Okay, I just want to add a couple more things. The morning after you fix your coffee with this Tchibo, what happens, it's going to do a quick cleaning process. Usually I believe it's every day or every other day. So we're going to turn it on, and here's kind of what happens. It's actually going to pre-clean itself and just kind of warm up. It's actually pretty quick to warm up and actually fix. The actual coffee is a lot faster than a lot of the bigger machines. The elements inside here, the heating elements, are very high quality, German made. So where you can see, it's kind of cleaning the inside. So it's self-cleaning. There you go. Now it's all set to go. So this is going to be usually every day, I believe, or it's every other day. It's going to pre-clean itself, self-cleaning, and then you can just hit your regular cup of coffee here, and it will start brewing. So it grinds first, and then the actual espresso brewing. The other thing is, I want to recommend if you're coming from a Keurig machine or any other type of instant coffee machine, is go with coffee beans. Either get them from Tchibo, or probably better yet is get a local coffee roaster. You can Google that and just find your closest fresh coffee roaster and pick up a couple samples of what kind of blends you like, because there's going to be a big difference in the coffee. So I have experience. The other machine I have is a Breville Barista, and it's like over $500. But it takes, 30 minutes to warm up. So it takes a lot more counter space. And this machine compared to the Breville Barista is, it's $300 cheaper, and it's narrow. It's a lot smaller, and I believe the coffee is pretty much up to par with the Breville Barista. So thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, comment below. You can even, on here, I'm going to show you the settings here. You can set it for 2 cups. If you want it more intense flavor, hit here. This is the button here. This is a espresso shot on this button here. The power button is on the left, and I'm just going to show you how this kind of works here. So this machine will actually tell you what it needs to, if it needs to clean out the coffee grinds. You'll see they'll empty in here, and you just empty that I would say every 5-6 cups it gets full, and right here the machine will tell you that it's actually full. And descaling wise, there's a special detergent you can put in. It's every couple months. You can descale it pretty easy in the manual. Let me see what else I can answer here. So I think the retail price is like $299, $300, but it's a high-end machine, and the coffee that goes with it, there's different blends of coffee. I like this Colombian origin, which is really good. This is probably the best one, most popular rather. So let's see. So I think that's about it. So it's very slim design. There's no pods, no waste, no plastic. And the coffee is just amazing tasting with this crema. Taste a little bit. Okay, very good. It's not like that smoked, burnt Starbucks flavor, but some people like that. But this machine is very durable. We've had this for about a year, I believe. I think we've had it for about a year. No issues, no problems. And like I said, the only thing is it's a louder machine. And once the water is low, it will provide a, it'll have this little button right there blinking. That means you need to put in more water in the back. I believe they have different finishes. And like I said, the one in the US does not have the milk frother. I don't believe yet. So you might have to wait on that, but it's a very slim design. It's pretty, deep. It goes, it's like, I don't know how deep that is. That's at least 18 inches. It's a very robust machine. It's not light. So you want to have good countertop space, but it's a slim design. It's loud, a little bit loud. But I'll have a link below if you're interested in this machine, or if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.